Hello, today we talk about the purchase for the public institution. Here we can see there is some dental models here. These are for an Angola customer. They used this for school teaching. At the beginning, this customer sent us some reference photos and the detailed requirements for this dental model. Then we sought the manufacturer for them. After we found the manufacturer, we talk the details with the manufacturer and negotiate a better prices. So after the order, when we receive these models, we first check the quality first. We need to make sure there is no flaw on the appearance. And also we need to check about the function. After everything goes well, we help the customer to customize the packaging boxes. The original packaging boxes like this. After customization, we do like this. This looks more luxury. And sometimes even some customer can customize their own logo on the packagings, but this customer no need. So for some public institution like the government and the school and the hospital, they mainly pay more attention to the product quality. Also the prices and the lead time. Actually, we are good at these points.